we're making fabulous fajitas. Okay, we've got our chicken in our pan with our olive oil, and it is cooking up right now. We're going to turn our chicken. As you can see, it's pretty raw up on top. We're going to turn it over, and they're just barely getting started. Our heat is just perfect right now. We have it on a medium-high temperature, and we're going to add our onions. It's really important to get the onions and the green peppers in there while we're cooking our chicken, so that the taste and everything gets into the chicken. All right, so let's come over here. I'm going to just grab it right with my hands, and I'm going to take our onion that we just barely cut. I'm going to put it over top of our chicken, like so. I'm going to separate them a little bit. Be really careful that you don't burn yourself, and you don't get your hands too close to the actual hot part of the pan. Okay. Next, we'll do our green peppers, green bell peppers, and put those in there also. You're going to let them brown for a little bit. Now would be a good time also to add some of that marinade. Now, I talked a little bit about trying different marinades. I've chosen one here that's just a Mexican-style fajita marinade. And technically, we're not even marinating our meat, our chicken. A marinade usually typically means that you're letting something sit in it and before you start cooking it. But this is enough time and enough taste, because we're going to be cutting the chicken in strips and all that. This taste and the marinade will get inside of the chicken and become a really good part of the whole product once we're done. For about the 5 to 6 chicken breasts that you're using, I think I put maybe a little bit more than I would usually. You could use about half of the bottle if it's about this size, about 18 ounces. And that's all right. It's still going to taste really good, even though I used a little bit more than I usually do. But use about half of your bottle, so about 9 ounces would just be perfect for this amount of chicken. So next we're going to be, we're going to let this sit for a minute. I'm going to put the top on, and we'll come back with some more techniques for your fajitas.